Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Instagram could not refresh feed error on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue could not refresh feed error on your Instagram, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to check whether your internet connection is properly working or not working properly. Then you need to switch to the flight mode. Just enable the flight mode and disable it again and check whether it is working properly or not. If still it is not working, then switch to Wi-Fi and check whether it is fixed or not. If still you are facing the issue, then you need to open the Play Store and check whether Instagram is up to date or not. Then search for Instagram. If it is not up to date, then update it from here. Just tap on the update. After completion of this update, check again whether it is working or not. After doing all the settings, still it is not working, then go to the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here apps. Just tap on the apps. Just tap on the see all apps. Then search for Instagram. Tap on the Instagram. In this, once you need to tap on the force stop. After that, you can see here storage and cache. Just tap on the storage and cache. Once you need to tap on the clear cache. Guys, you need to tap only for clear cache. You don't need to tap for the clear storage. After tapping clear cache, then go back. After doing all the settings, once you need to restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram could not refresh feed error on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.